For latest videos and uploads, press the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hello and Assalamu alaikum tech lovers. My name is Mohammad Waqas Nasir and today we are going to talk about the Superlux E205U. It's a USB microphone condenser. So guys, keep watching and stay with me. Welcome back guys. As you can see, I have the microphone with me, and it just came today, and I am happy that I am sharing with you guys my review and the unboxing of it. So let's get started. So here you can see this is the box for the Superlux USB microphone condenser, and the model number is E205U, as you can see. So this is the box that came, and let's open it then. So from here we can open this like this. So let's see what's inside. We have one USB 3-meter cable that we can use to power on the microphone, and then we have here a desktop stand. It's a table stand, so we can put our microphone on it, and then we have a big pouch, and this is the guys, this is the microphone. It's inside the pouch, and we have this manual in here. It's a Superlux manual, and it's also available in different languages, so you can just read it out. And then we have nothing in here, so let's put it aside, and let's see our microphone for the first time. So what we have in here, okay, so here we have this microphone. It's really a little heavy, but it's looking like a whole metallic thing. So what we have here on the front is we have this volume button that we can easily adjust the volume of the audio, and here we have a light. When we power it on, then we can see the light here, and here we can see the whole mesh of net, and if you can see through the light, you can actually see the microphone inside. And at the down we have this power plug that we can attach this USB cable to it, and it will power on. Actually there is no driver we need, it's just a plug and play thing, so you just have to connect the USB cable and it will like running. And then we have on the back we have this audio cable if you want to put headphones in it, or if you want to put speakers, you can put the speakers cable in here, and you can like listen. This is we have like it's an angle we have, and it's a really good thing, so you can adjust your microphone while you can put it on the table stand, so you can easily adjust according to your requirement or your level. And this is the screw here, so you can just tighten it to whatever position you want. Here we have this audio stand that we can see. It's a little tripod stand, and it can be like just put it on the desk. So it's a small one, but it's useful that you can put it just like here, and you can put the microphone on it, and you can easily like use it. And here we have in there, it's like an adapter. I don't know, but maybe for some other reasons they put this as a as an accessory. So maybe uh, it can be used to attach this microphone to some other accessory. Here we have to just unscrew it, this screw, so we can attach this microphone to the desktop stand. I think it's now on screen. So as you can see that it's a little screw adapter inside they put, so maybe it can be used to attach this microphone to some other accessory. Here we have this, and now we can attach. Now we can attach this to the desktop stand, and so here. Okay, so as you can see, now we can put the microphone on like this and we can adjust it to like any position we want. So I think this would be better, and you can just change the volume, and you can easily say hello guys, welcome back. You are watching Tech Reviews by VK, and my name is Mohammed Al-Fasnasi, and today we are going to talk about this tech. So I think it's really looking amazing right now. As you can see also that it's not a big one microphone, and the small stand, it's really making it a little unique from the other microphones that we have, some big microphones. So I think it's looking like good as I am talking to you right now, and it gives a really good impression. Just one more thing is that we have this 3-meter power cable. It's like a USB cable that we have. It's really lengthy, I think, and then you can see that it's a USB cable. You just have to plug this one underneath your microphone, and this one to the your computer or any USB compatible device that you wanted to connect it to. The last thing we have here is this manual, and I think it's available in different languages. You can buy it from Amazon store or eBay store, so I can provide the links in the description. If you want to buy it, you can go down in the description and click the links below to check it out. From the physical point of view, it's really fine crafted, and the stand, it's a metal stand, but this wing is a plastic. But overall the microphone is also has a metallic body, and we have so much long 3-meter USB cable, and we have this board, so we can attach it to some other stand accessory. So yeah, it's looking very nice and cool, and I hope it will perform also well. Okay. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you like it, hit that like button, press the subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you have my next videos on your screen. Until then, stay blessed, stay strong, stay home. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.